I work with dancers that are 18 years old and above. And I like people that are unique and have something new to say. I have dancers on tour with Usher and Beyonce and Gaga and everyone currently, but I like dancers that are their own brand. I like to work with them. I've worked with them for many years. I have been very successful with them, taking dance to another level that no one imagined that could be. So I guess when I look for a dancer, that dancer has to stand out, because when you have an audition with 1,000 people, there will be a lot of great ones, but your style, your hair, look, the way you dress, the way you carry yourself also plays a very important role on my selection. I am also a little different than other agents. I like to work with divas or people that know that they're really, really good. For me, if you can back that up on a dance floor and if you're able to take the job away from someone else, I will work with you no matter what you say and what you do. And I have figured out a way to make that work for me, so they follow the principles in the agency and the integrity that we have. But I believe part of our success is that we've figured out a way to work with everyone. Because my favorite saying is, you can change people, but you can learn how to manage them. And we do that very well every day.